Chapter 21. Creditors and Debtors. The realm of money and debts was not a morally neutral realm in God's law, but a sphere of moral responsibility. Neither creditor nor debtor lives in an area of freedom from law and ethics, but always under God. One distinction, however, was notable. God's redeemed people are a free people in the crucial area. They are delivered from the power and penalty of sin. They have therefore the ability to use freedom. God's law permits the ungodly to contract long-term debts. The world of the 1990s is dedicated to long-term debt as a way of life, and God permits it, knowing that it is a way of death. For the godly, debts must be limited to 6 years. Deuteronomy 15, 1-6, 12-18. We are God's people, and we must not be man's slave, for debt is the world's most popular form of slavery. Debts, then, led often to bond service to work off a debt. Such persons were not to be treated as slaves, but as a hired hand or temporary resident until repayment or the Jubilee, Leviticus 25, 39-42. The covenant people were to be a free people, and therefore their ability to contract long-term debt was denied. This ability to contract long-term debt is a license to slavery, for slavery is ownership in another man's labour. Too many people pay up to 50% of their income to creditors, and this is surely a form of servitude. With World War II and the rise of modernism and antinomianism, bank loans in the United States went from 5-year notes to 20- and 30-year mortgages. This was seen by most as a benefit rather than as slavery. As a general rule, God requires that we, quote, owe no man anything but to love one another, Romans 13:8. In cases of troubles and needs, short-term debts is permitted up to 6 years. Now, the prevailing opinion is that long-term debt is good both for men and nations. We shall pay a price for such a belief.